Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome back, friends. Welcome back to another video lecture by Kami Microbiologist. Today I'm going to explain another video lecture, that is the test used for the fatigue. So today actually I'm going to talk about that what type of the test we are going to perform when there is a fatigue type of problems in our body. So let's start the video. First of all, let's see the introduction, that what is actually fatigue. Remember guys, fatigue is actually the extreme tiredness in our body, and it means that the lack of the energy, that is both physically and mentally. Now this fatigue, if we talked about the main cause of this fatigue, so it is due to the lack of sleep, emotional stress, poor diet, dehydration, anemia, thyroid issue, depression, and infection. These are the main causes of the fatigue. Now let's see that what type of the test we can perform if there is fatigue. So when there is fatigue, so doctor recommend different types of the tests. So let me explain. First of all, we have CBC, in which the doctor mostly check out the anemia. Next, we have ESR, CRP, and TSH. ESR, erythrocyte sedimentation rate, CRP. These two tests are specially used to check out the infection in the body. TSH, thyroid stimulated hormone test. Next, we have LFT and KFT. LFT means liver function test, KFT means kidney function test. So as the name indicates, so in this test we specially check the liver health status and kidney health status. Next we have ANA. ANA means anti-nuclear antibody test. That is the autoimmune test, which is specially used to check out the antibody that can attack on the nucleus of the cell. Next we have RF, means rheumatoid factor test. Next we have cortisol test, that is the hormonal test. Next we have urine RE, which I already explained. We have calcium test, iron profile, HIV, human immunodeficiency virus test. We have vitamin B12 and vitamin D test, random blood sugar and fasting blood sugar test, phosphorus test, PPD. This is actually a kind of test that is specially used for the to find out the TB in the body. Next we have urine toxicology test. Next we have celiac disease, and we have echo and ECG. So these are a type of the test that a patient have to do this to find out the fatigue. Okay, so these are the tests for the fatigue. This is all about the fatigue test list. Thank you so much, dear viewers, for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe the channel to get more interesting videos like that. Thank you so much.